Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Microsoft Rewards gift card for Roblox. Let's get started. To redeem a Microsoft Rewards gift card for Roblox, you don't need an Xbox at all. You can complete this process easily using a mobile phone, tablet, or computer. First, open any web browser and search for the Microsoft Rewards Redeem page. From the search results, open the official Microsoft Rewards Redemption Catalog. Next, sign in using your Microsoft account and make sure you're logged into the account that has enough reward points available. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of rewards that you can redeem. Scroll through the catalog and look for the Roblox Digital Gift Card option. When you find it, click or tap on the Redeem button. After that, choose the amount of Robux you want to redeem from the available options, then confirm your selection and complete the redemption process. Once everything is done, the Robux or Roblox Digital Gift Card will be added to your account and will be ready to use for in-game items, upgrades, or purchases. So, that's how you can redeem a Microsoft Rewards gift card for Roblox. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.